मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड लाईन. आता कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कितें हेजे कसो आसता, कितें 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 तेजे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आसता. एक मनशाक एक कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आसता, बिहेवियर आसता, सर्टन बिहेवियर, देर सर्टन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. सो तशेंच हे फील्ड लायनाक सुद्धा सर्टन कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आसा. सो वी विल सी दोज कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फर्स्ट इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन्स. It is always comes out from the north pole and it emerges to the south pole. It is never vice versa. So magnetic field lines कशे असता, it is always from the north pole to the south pole. But inside, आता वो असो भितर येलो पळय. So from here it is what? South pole to the north pole. भायल्यातल्यान कसो असता तो, it is always, it comes out from the north pole and it goes inside from the south pole. But inside it is from the south pole to the north pole. That is very important. This is what is the direction of magnetic field lines. Second point, the strength of magnetic field. Strength म्हटलं की तुमको सांगलेलं पाहिजे. This is what direction, this is your magnitude. So both comprises of vector quantity. So strength of magnetic field किती? The closeness of magnetic field lines. Closer the lines, more will be the strength. Correct? तो जितलो लागी मॅग्नेट तू दवरता तो अट्रॅक्शन चड जातलो. जसो 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 पयस व्हरता पळय तेन्ना अट्रॅक्शन कमी जातलो. सो मोर विल बी द स्ट्रेंथ एंड फर्दर द लाइन्स लेस विल बी द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ. दिस इज व्हॉट इज युअर सेकंड पॉइंट. अगेन द सेम डायग्राम. नॉर्थ पोल, साउथ पोल असो भितर बट ही मिडल लाइन आहा पळय ती केन्ना टच जातली ना. सो ही मदली लाइन आहा पळय ती टच जावपा ना. Whereas this, it will go like this. From here it will go like this. So this whole area becomes your magnetic field. आता this line, there are two lines. What are this? These are basically your magnetic field lines. हांगा पहिला केन्ना तरी खंय magnetic field line intersect जाता. E आणि E line हांगा अशी क्रॉस बी जाल्ली आसा. ही क्रॉस केन्नाच जायना. Every single field lines have their own path. If this magnetic field line, these two magnetic field line intersect here. So instead of going this side, it will go up the E line, E अशी वयता आणि अनेक field. If intersect जाता जाल्यार कितें जातले? If they intersect, then at point of intersection. And what is point of intersection? At this point. At this point of intersection, compass needle will show two directions. So what it will show? Two direction. So and that direction will be what? Tangential. But is it possible? आता कंपास निडल दोन डायरेक्शन दाखवू शकता एका वांगडा. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुका ईस्ट डायरेक्शनान वयता म्हळ्यार कंपास तुका ईस्ट वेस्ट नाचयत रावतलो ना. सो दॅट मीन्स your field lines never intersect each other. If they intersect, there will be a two field line direction, which is not possible. Clear? Any doubt till here? Some कितें पयले about the who is Oersted. Oersted and कसलो experiment केलो. Okay. Then what are field lines? What is magnetic field? What is compass needles? Then its characteristics, from where it emerges. So खंयच्यान येता, खंयच्यान तो भितर वयता. Inside magnet is how, outside magnet कसो. What is the strength of a magnet and whether they intersect or not. Is it possible? That all we have seen till now. So next, so you have studied about magnet, you have studied about magnetic field lines, everything. What is our main topic? Main topic is your magnetic effect of electric current. So we have to understand now the relation between your magnetic field and the electric current. So या दोन्ही component जेन्ना तुम्ही वांगडा हाडटा तेन्ना कितें जातले, that we will see. So for that, the first thing is magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Current carrying conductor म्हटल्यार कितें, हे चड असो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टर्म न्ही. करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर म्हळ्यार वायरीन तुजी एक करंट फ्लो जाता इतलेंच. कंडक्टर यू नो एक्सप्लेन करपा जाय. वॉट इज कंडक्टर, वॉट इज इन्सुलेटर. जस्ट इमॅजिन देयर इज अ वायर आणि करंट फ्लो जाता. दॅट इज वॉट इज अ करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर. वॉट इज द रिलेशन नाव? मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर. जेन्ना आतां आमी पळयल्या पळय, दिस इज वॉट इज अ ऑयस्टर्ड एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो जेन्ना तुका करंट कॅरिंग कंडक्टर आसता, सो दिस इज अ वायर आनी हांगा करंट आसा. सो मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड कितें आसता, वॉट इज अ मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड, मॅग्नेटीक फील्ड कसो प्रोड्यूस जाता, दॅट वी विल सी. So this is just simple. First you have to see the battery. Positive is this side, negative is this side. So obviously direction of current will be this side, and the direction of electron, and how electron will move in this case, electron will move in this side because it is E minus, negative, right? Electron also flows out, but direction of current is always this side. So when the direction of current is this side, there is a compass over here. This is what compass. First experiment with oyster experiment dakela same it is. So there is a deflection. Hello, north south deflect zala. But when you change the battery over here, instead of positive, now this side is negative. See, negative anga asa, positive anga asa. So what will be the direction of current is always this side. So positive where is the side the direction is the current. But in this case, electrons will move in this direction. So jenna negative and positive असता तेन्ना it will deflect in the other direction. So basically कितें जाता हांगा, we know that current जेन्ना pass जाता तेन्ना field lines form जाता. So जेन्ना field lines form जाता तेन्ना south north ह्या सायडीक वयता, south ह्या सायडीक वयता. So that means तुज्या magnetic field lines for example असो आसा in this direction, magnetic field lines in this direction. So what will happen in this case, your magnetic field lines will change. So instead of north south, here it will be now south north. That will be the case. So that you will understand how, when you understand this diagram. This is very simple. You have a current carrying conductor आणि right hand घ्या, right hand आणि हात असो हे करा, thumbs up करता पळय आमी तशें करून धरा. एक पेन घ्या, बेस्ट पेन अशें मदीं घाला आणि असो पेने धरला पळय, the current is your pen आणि असो हात फोल्ड करा आणि thumbs up positionाचेर रावा. So in this position what you understand is thumb points along the direction of current. आता thumb point असा वयर पॉइंट जाता पळय, thumb हांगा कितें जाला, thumb वयर पॉइंट केला. So that means your direction of current is in this direction, and other fingers give the direction of field. That is very important. thumb वयर पॉइंट केला आणि असो तुम्ही हात फिरया, असो फिरया, हांगा डायरेक्शन दाखयला पळय. So those curved fingers, the curls शे झाल्या पळय. So that will be what, this will be the direction of your field. So field will be in this direction, field lines basically. So this is nothing but right hand thumb rule. Very important, examic येताच question. What is the main objective of right hand thumb rule is to find the direction of magnetic field. पळय हांगा तर तुमकां कळ्ळें direction of current असो आसा, म्हटल्यार आता हांगा पॉझिटिव्ह आसा, राईट. सो दॅट मीन्स a thumb point will be in this direction, thumb will point in this direction, and in this direction you will have curls. Now start moving your hand. आता हात असा पळय तसा हॉरिझॉन्टल करा आणि पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शनान थंब करा. हांगा पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शनाच्यान थंब पॉइंट केला पळय आणि बेश्टी अशी बोटां फिरया. वॉट यू अंडरस्टँड इज ओवर हियर डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट विल बी असो भितर वयतलो, असो भितर वचून भायर येतलो, भितर वचून भायर येतलो असो. ओके, ते सायडीच्यान वयतलो आनी असो भायर येतलो. आता ह्या डायरेक्शनान सेम राईट हँडूच घेवपाक जाय, लेफ्ट हँड घेवप ना. राईट हँडूच घेया आणि असो उलटा करा हात, असो हात उलटा करा. राईट हँडूच घेऊ, लेफ्ट हँड घेवप ना. सो पॉझिटिव्ह डायरेक्शन, सो दिस फिंगर विल पॉइंट इन दिस डायरेक्शन आणि हात तुजो असो वयर जातलो, असो उलटा, राईट. आणि असो कर्व करा हात, असो वयर असो घ्या, असो कर्व करा. सो कर्व करता तेन्ना कितें जातलें, डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट कितें जातलो, असो येतलो, करेक्ट. So this is way you have to identify the direction of magnetic field. So what is the objective? To finding the direction of magnetic field associated with current carrying conductor. This rule is also called Maxwell corkscrew rule. Usually we say it is a right hand thumb rule. Otherwise it also says that Maxwell corkscrew rule. This is about how to find the direction of magnetic field. Very important.